Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House. I got a really cool gadget to show you today. This is the Inkerma DM262. What this is a level. It's also a laser distance meter. You can also calculate, or it will calculate, square footage of a room for you. It's a really cool tool. It'll do it in meters, inches, and in feet. So I'm going to show you the functions. I think you'll like it. So I'm just going to show you a few functions of it. There's an on button up here and an off button down at the bottom. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn it on. And this will be measuring in feet. You can change that units just by holding, depressing here to meters. And that was just inches. And we're going to go back to, there's inches. And then back to feet. Okay, so on the next one, you can also rotate the screen depending on if the unit is laying on its side or the way we have it faced. So we'll just go ahead and rotate that. And we'll just bring it back to where it was. And that feature is just so that you can actually see what it's reading out. The next button is the features. The most features that'll be used will be these three top lines. It also does angles and cube. As you can see right here in the center, it's going to give you a level. So if I lean on the table a little bit, I can change the degrees. So right now it's only one. This table is 0.1 degree off. If I let off on it, it'll run back to 0.2 degrees. So the first function that comes up is a measurement between two walls. It has a line with two ends on it. And then the next function is just one direction. So if you set this up against a wall, or you're just looking for from one place to another place, not the full spectrum, it will give you that. And then you can also do square footage or inches, whichever you prefer. There's a lot of different applications with this. You can use it for flooring and painting to estimate how much paint or flooring that you will need. The level function on it is great. As soon as you turn it on and lay it down, you know if you've got a level surface or not. You can also use it for putting on a picture frame and leveling a picture frame as well, or just any other thing that you need to get level. The unit comes with an instruction book and also with a case and with a charger as well. Right on the side here is a little flap here to plug it in and recharge the unit. So that is the Inkerma DM262 level. We'll be using this a lot as far as in our camper and other construction projects that we do as well. We really thank Inkerma for sending us this unit, and we appreciate you watching DIY on the House, and thanks.